Um, I was going to say something in the car, but you never gave me the opportunity to.
No.
I want to say it.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
I want to say a very big thank you.
Mm-hmm.
What do you mean? Mm-hmm?
For what exactly? Thank you for what?
Thank you for everything.
Okay.
Namdi, you've been such a very nice man.
I know. Okay. Let's get serious.
No, joke apart.
Right.
You did for me what no man ever did. You've been amazing. You've been nice. You wiped away my tears. Look at me. Ijoma. Roaming around this village is now a barrister. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. You're welcome. I mean, who knows what would have happened if not for Amarachi? That innocent little girl you were trying to beat to a pulp that morning. You know, sometimes what you don't value values you a lot. You know?
I regret my actions. I really want to make things right. I want to have her back. I just want that daughter and mother connection.
Ijoma, do you love me?
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.